Quick summary: OpenAI offers chat export to free, Plus, and Pro accounts. But ChatGPT Business and Enterprise workspaces do not have that option. A free tool called scrapemychats appeared on GitHub this week. It archives conversations a logged-in account can access. This matters for teams needing local copies and handovers. Here are the details. The register says OpenAI's help page lists free, Plus, Pro, and some edu customers as able to export chats. ChatGPT Business and Enterprise workspaces do not get the export button. OpenAI offers an enterprise compliance platform for admins. That platform retains conversation logs for 30 days unless customers archive them. Key update: Conrad Quilty Harper published scrapemychats on GitHub. It archives chats by using a logged-in browser session. It saves conversation text and visible attachments locally. An email-style HTML viewer lets you open the archive offline. The README says a 600-chat archive can take a few hours due to throttling. How it works: the tool is not headless. It automates a real logged-in browser session. It opens conversations visible in the account UI. It saves DOM content and attachments fetched by the browser. It only captures what the account can access. Bot protection and rate limits slow it down. The download can be paused and resumed. Why this matters to operations: teams need durable local copies for compliance, audits, and handover. ChatGPT Business lacks a built-in export button. Enterprise admins can use the compliance platform, which keeps logs for 30 days. The register says OpenAI did not publicly justify the tier difference. Industry context: many cloud and SaaS platforms offer data export across tiers. Here, higher-tier ChatGPT Business and Enterprise do not get the export button. Instead, enterprise administrators have a separate compliance platform. That platform retains logs for 30 days. The register frames this as a source of friction for customers. Developer impact: scrapemychats installs from the command line and needs a logged-in browser profile. It is not headless, so CI automation is limited. The README warns about throttling and supports resume. Test on non-production accounts: the author warned it may breach OpenAI's terms of service and could be disabled. System impact: enterprises must reconcile export capability with retention policy. The compliance platform retains logs for 30 days. If you need longer retention, archive logs to your storage within the 30-day window. This is an operational requirement for compliance and e-discovery. Limitations and uncertainties: scrapemychats only captures what the browser can load for that account. It cannot recover hidden or deleted conversations inaccessible in the UI. The process is slow due to bot protection and throttling. OpenAI did not respond to requests for comment per the register. The author said OpenAI may close the loophole and flagged potential TOS issues. Timeline: the register story ran on 2026/7/23. The tool was posted on GitHub the same week by Conrad Quilty Harper. OpenAI's compliance platform retains logs for 30 days unless archived. The author predicted OpenAI could close the loophole, but no action was confirmed. Takeaway: confirm how your workspace data is retained. If you need longer archives, export and archive within 30 days. Test third-party tools on non-production accounts. Document legal and policy implications. Monitor OpenAI for policy changes that could close unsupported export routes. Sources and further reading: the register reported on this on 2026/7/23. You'll find the link to the article in the video description.